Driving a John Deere 6215R called Beyond Green. A new tractor to the Leahy family. That is a few years ago now. Boy, it's probably been 4 or 5 years ago going on when this tractor was new to the Leahy family. That's the tractor puller's hot farm. This tractor got put together by the folks at Sawmills Enterprises up in Hillsboro, Wisconsin, out of the shop up there. A lot of great parts underneath the hood as well. This tractor runs good. Looks like Big Steve up there giving some instruction about what to do on the track. Miles Leahy out of Darlington, Wisconsin, the Beyond Green.
Oh, yes.
3:37 is the distance to beat, like Chris said. Adam Adrian just taking the lead. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go, 6 more to go. Pat Holtz is going to come around. All of them shooting for the big win here in Lafayette County Fairgrounds, but honestly, they want to get in that top 5 to come back later tonight and win that money in that Saunders Oil shootout.